Hi, everyone. Welcome to week one of Ed 215 Online. I want to take a moment and walk you through what the assignments for this week are and point out once again the importance of that orientation quiz. I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what you would see if you were logged into Moodle. So, as I mentioned, the orientation quiz. Week one will not be available to you unless you've completed this with 100%. Just again, reminding you, you can take it multiple times. The only score that will be entered into the grade book is that 100% that will allow you access to week one. So in week one, we're all about introductions to the lifespan, reminding you of the research methods that are utilized, very similar to what we talked about in Psych 101. And you're going to have the learning outcomes that are tied to a course objective on the final exam. So PLO basically stands for final exam objectives that you will be assessed at the end of the semester to determine if you have met or have the different outcomes of the course. Okay, so I can see week one is filled with resources regarding chapter one and activities based on introductions and a study guide worksheet. So resources, the study guide is basically a form that will give you potential questions or topics that are fair game for the first unit quiz. The PowerPoint is a PDF version of the text PowerPoints, and the research methods is a video that will allow you to see a little bit more about the application of research in developmental psychology. This week, your activities include doing an introduction to the class. I've already posted mine so that you can have an example of how to do that. You will also be doing your first writing assignment, which is an application of research in lifespan development. And the last thing that you will have is a Unit 1 worksheet. The worksheets are set up as quizzes in Moodle just because that is the only format that allows me to assess in that way. They're set up so that you can take them twice. They're worth 10 points apiece, and it will only take your highest into the grade book. These are going to be very helpful in terms of studying for the quiz, kind of getting an idea of what kind of questions and materials will be on that first quiz. So that is a great tool for you guys. I actually think that these two, the study guide and the worksheet, go hand in hand in terms of prepping for that quiz. And I actually find that myself, when I was a student, that the study guides or objectives were extremely helpful. I think that you will find the same. But we are, as I said, moving into week one. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to shoot me an email and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Have a great week and we will talk soon. Thanks, guys.